Intelligence, activity, design and choice. So according to the Simon, three phases are there. They are what is problem, what is alternative, what is the base. Simon conclusion that in general intelligence activity precedes design, design precedes choice. So the complex of the sequence suggests each phase in the making the particular decision itself a complex decision making process. The design phase example may call for new intelligence and generate the sub problem that in turn to have intelligence, design and choice. They are wheel within the wheel. Nevertheless, in three largest space, clearly this is problem unfold. प्रोग्राम नॉन प्रोग्राम. सो टाइप ऑफ डिसीजन प्रोग्राम जो होते हैं रूटीन होता है, रिपीटेटिव होते हैं. डिसीजन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेवलप द स्पेसिफिक प्रोसेस फॉर द हैंडलिंग दैम. तो ट्रेडिशनल जो होता है इसमें हैबिट, क्लरिकल, रूटीन, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, स्ट्रक्चर होता है. कॉमन एक्सपेक्टेशंस होता है. मॉडर्न में ऑपरेटिंग, रिसर्च, मैथमेटिक्स, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डाटा होते हैं. प्रोग्राम जो होता है दैट इज़ रिपीटेटिव एंड रूटीन डिसीजंस होते हैं. ठीक है. डिसीजंस आर नॉन प्रोग्राम टू द एक्सटेंट दैट इज़ नॉवल, अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड. देयर इज नो कट एंड राइट मेथड फॉर द हैंडलिंग द प्रॉब्लम, सो डिजर्व्स ए कस्टम ट्रीटमेंट. साइमन हैज आइडेंटिफाइड द ट्रेडिशनल एज वेल एज द मॉडर्न टेक्निक्स. सो नॉन प्रोग्राम जो होते हैं स्ट्रक्चर्ड होते हैं. पॉलिसी हैंडल्स बाय द जनरल प्रॉब्लम. ट्रेडिशनल टेक्निक जो जजमेंट, इंट्यूशन, क्लियरिटी, रूल ऑफ थम्स, सिलेक्शन, ट्रेनिंग एंड एग्जीक्यूशन. मॉडर्न टेक्निक में ह्यूरिस्टिक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड कंस्ट्रक्टिव ह्यूरिस्टिक कंप्यूटर बेस्ड होता है. ट्रेनिंग ह्यूमन बेस्ड. जेनेरिक एंड द यूनिक डिसीजन होते हैं. पीटर ड्रकर इन द पॉपुलर बुक द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट क्लासीफाई डिसीजन इनटू जेनेरिक एंड यूनिक डिसीजन. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पर्सनल डिसीजन होता है जिसमें मेंबर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाले लेटर आर टेकन बाय द एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटी. पॉलिसी एंड ऑपरेटिंग द डिसीजन आर द फंडामेंटल कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं जिसमें ऑपरेटिंग डिसीजन आर मीन फॉर द एग्जीक्यूटिंग द पॉलिसी डिसीजन. इंडिविजुअल एंड ग्रुप डिसीजंस होते हैं. इंडिविजुअल डिसीजंस आर दोज विच आर मेड बाय द इंडिविजुअल मैनेजर एंड कंप्लीट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर द कंसिक्वेंसेज. ग्रुप डिसीजंस वो होते हैं जिसमें ग्रुप होते हैं सारे. बाउंडेड रेशनलिटी. मम्मी ओ मम्मी यार, ये ओबीसी में जो ठही नो, इनमें एक तो आय जो प्रमाण पत्र लगनो न, 6 महीने में ख़त्म थी आय वारो. अॼुकल्ह 6 महीने में आय जो ठहींदो आहे. फॉर्म वठी आयमि, आय जो भरियल अथो आहे. फॉर्म करे साइन कराईंदमि. बाक़ी राशन कार्ड खपे, राशन कार्ड ज़रूरी खपे. Bounded rationality is a behavioral alternative model because he proposed an alternative model, a realistic alternative to the classical economic rationality model. Simon viewed the rationality selection of the preferred behavioral alternatives whereby the consequences of behavior can be evaluated. He also distinguished various types of rationality: objectivity, subjectivity, consciously rational. अरे तो के हलड़ो पई न होते. Deliberately rational degree adjustment of mean of ends and mean deliberately brought about individual organization rationality is oriented to the goal. हाँ तो उते राशन में चाहिए, यहाँ से नहीं बनेगा. अटल सेवा केंद्र में जाना पड़ेगा आपको, कलेक्ट्री में. वहाँ पे ये ले जाना पुराना हिकिड़ो को कागर पियो आहे न पाण वटि, वो खणी हलणो आहे पाण खे. वो दिखाड़ना होते भी हमारा राशन कार्ड ये बना के दो है. चाहिए कि आपको राशन कार्ड ठहण में ही टाइम लगनो. मुझे ओबीसी कॾहिं ठहींदो. फाटल कान हली रहो न यार. हाँ तो वो फाटल वठी जल्दी ठाराए न, तो मूंखे दिक्कत ईंदी यार. Dynamic nature of the organization, imperfect information well as limited capacity to process the available information, time and consequences, and environmental forces and external factor. Alternatives cannot be always quantified and ordered. Preferred decision makers may not be aware of all the possible alternatives. Personal factors of the decision maker, like the preconceived notion, organizational factor, procedure, rules, channel of communication, and Simon bounded rationality. In choosing between the alternatives, tries to satisfy, look for the one. हाँ राशन कार्ड ठहण में ही घट में घट 10-15 दिन लगना. हाँ तो उनखे चइजे छोकी मुंहिंजो ओबीसी ठहण में 15 दिन लगना. राशन कार्ड जल्दी ठहींदो तॾहिं ईअं ओबीसी ठहींदो. बिना राशन कार्ड हाँ तो राशन कार्ड ठीक कराया तो एग्जाम जो ओबीसी थे ना तो ये हेडा दिए थे तो राशन कार्ड पिछले 6 महीना ते महीना थे और ते महीना का राशन कार्ड कौन थे वो पंजो ये पागल के दिन नहीं छो तो 2800 ना वापस वो तो के चरियो भी ठाई नहीं मम्मी तो 3 महीना ध्यान पाने घर में राशन कार्ड करने तू सोची न थी कान तो ठाए तो तू डैडियन में वठी लाई सुबह जीवन नहीं अंकल आप ऐसे में रखो मत अपने पास मेरे को दो मैं खुद बनाऊंगी ये टे महीननि ताईं थोड़ी दिबो आहे कंहिंखे बेवकूफ़ ई तूं त पंहिंजो राशन कार्ड ई ॾेई लाथो अथई हुनखे ईअं थोड़ी दिबो आहे कंहिंखे कहिड़ी शइ हू त चरियो बि ठाही नहीं तोखे choosing between the alternatives tries to satisfy or look for the one which is satisfied good enough recognizing the words he perceived to drastically simplified the model real world can make his choice without first determining all possible alternatives without ascertaining that these facts are alternatives because of satisfy rather maximized is able to make the decision with relatively simple rule of thumb. Satisfying admin is Simon is different from the optimizing economic when evolved by the classical economic theory. Chris Argyris, insisting on rationality, has not reorganized of the role of institution, tradition, faith, and decision making. Simon theory used the satisfying or to rationalize importance. Norman Long Philip Selznick argued that Simon's distinction between the fact and value revised in the new Giz and discredited political admin dichotomy. Lindbaum incremental model is the science of modeling through advocated the incremental model of decision making and this opposite to the Herbert Simon rational competence model. Lindbaum said decision making in the administration directions from the way it is generally described in theory. Problem rational comprehensive approach highlighted the various limitations money time information politics. Lindbaum opened decision makers always continue to the existing programs with the argue the actually occurred administration decision and the incrementalism virtual continuations previous modification step by step making. Lindbaum is the past activity experience are used by the administrator to make the future decision. Abgioni mixes Conning model, the third approach to decision making published the Abgioni and combine the element of rational comprehensive model and incremental model. Abgioni broadly discourages the social innovation and thus partial approach cannot be applied to the fundamental decision. Rohr optimal model public policy making re-examined and this claim the optimal model superior to all the existing normative model. Decision making is the combination of the economically rational model. Rohr optimal model is rational model of policy making and 5 major characteristics qualitative and not the quantitative contain both rational and extra rational element basic rational economical rational concern with the meta policy making and the build the feedback. Rohr advocated speedy development policy knowledge and policy science making the knowledge and integrate also the distinct study policy issue knowledge was related to the specific policy making the knowledge. Basu plead the adoption of the best policy to the judicious evaluation of the goals. Significance communication is important principle organization essential for the realizing the objectives. Millets describe the communication as the bloodstream of the alternatives of organization. Pfiffner communication is the heart of the management. Chester Bernard the first executive function is to develop and maintain a system. Communication is called the foundation of cooperative group activity. Peter Drucker ने कहा था गुड कम्युनिकेशन इज द फाउंडेशन फॉर द साउंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. नॉर्बर्ट विनर ने कहा कि कम्युनिकेशन इज द सीमेंट दैट मेक द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. टेरी ने कहा कम्युनिकेशन इज द लुब्रिकेंट. बट कम्युनिकेशन इज डिराइव फ्रॉम द लैटिन वर्ड ऑफ द कम्यून विच इज कॉमन. Communication is the process of passing the information, understanding the one person. Communication is the exchange of the fact. Communication is the intercourse of the words and letter. Communication may be broadly defined the process of meaningful interaction. Organizing communication is three types aspect: internal communication, external communication, interpersonal communication. Internal communication concerned with the relationship of organization with the employee. Upward communication is concerned the employee relationship with the management. Downward with the concerned management relationship. The former consists of the performance of the report work problem. Across communication considers the relationship between the co-equal and the authority of organization. External communication deal with the relationship the organization of the public. Media communication enable the gain the awareness, help to the problem solving, enable the gain acceptance, implementation of a decision, promote a sense of unity, official working to the organization, encourage the exchange of information, help to the appraisal performance. Audiovisual media, television, social motion pictures communication is attained the popularity administration and Henry Fayol is the first admitted thinker, gives the comprehensive problem of the communication and highlight the importance of the speedy communication, meaningful solution. Chester Bernard communication viewed the communication vital dynamic organization behavior. Also, in this absence of suitable technique, communication would eliminate the possibility adopting the basis for organization. Herbert Simon organization say it obvious without communication there cannot be the no organization when there no possibility of the group influencing to the behavior of individual like Bernard. Simon also stressed the informal channel grapevine. Simon highlighted the importance of the informal channels grapevine, valuable barometer for the public opinion, appraised him to the topic of the subject and interest of the organization member. Norbert Wiener, who pioneered for the cybernetics, the word cybernetics derived from the Greek word of the key cybernetics and contemporary approach to the communication. Wiener said the organization system moved to the direction of the positive entropy. Organization have the natural tendency towards the disorder, disintegration, self-destruction. Anecdote: positive entropy is the organization system leads to the negative entropy. So Goulet is the Wiener concept of the system control the information feedback directly contribute to the development. Good and Shannon and the Weaver says the mode of communication is the source encoding message channel decoding receiver feedback noise. So the source of the initiative to communicate who want to transmit the idea thought and needs. Encoding process is which ideas convey to the transmit into the code and set the symbol. Message is actual physical product of the source. Encoding channel is the medium through which this message transmit. Decoding is a process translate to the message into the form of the understood receiver. Receiver is the person whom message is directed. Feedback response is the which enable to the sender. Noise include the factor each of the component of communication is the accuracy and fidelity. Under the chain of network, information message flow from the down to the hierarchical chain, and under this network the information and message flow among the group member through a leader that is central point. In other words, group members do not communicate with each other directly but rely on the leader act of the central conduit. Most centralized type of formal communication is the wheel network. Under the circle network, the member interact with the adjoining member. In other words, the information and message transmitted laterally among the group member. Under all channel members, each of the freely decentralized type of formal communication on the completely connected network. Under the inverted network, the sub-communication is immediate superior as well as the second superior. The matter is which information message can send to the second case of specified. Under the Y network, two subordinate through the hierarchical chain communication with superior subordinate is above this network is centralized. Keith Davis investigated the phenomena of the grapevine organization, and grapevines cannot be the abolished and hidden under the basket. So if we supposed to be the one place, it will be the pop-up another, and it is merely to the move one quite similar to the way we change to the another television. Under the single strand, information passes from one to the another. Under the gossip, member communicate not selectively. Under the probability network, information passes according to the low probability. Under the cluster, information passes selectively of the communications. So semantic barriers are there. Gobble group of Robert Nish. Flash is the communication develop the curiosity of the legality and rings humorously called the Gobble group language, which become the impossible for a layman to understand and is right of or exact or abstract or impersonal or languages. Terry observed the international word to not refer to the something that can be pointed out. They are neither always cannot identify meaning. Ideological barriers are there. Background of the expectation result different social political views. Filtering is there, ठीक है, और like filtering determined mainly by the number of the label in the organization. Dogmatisms are there. This is obviously affect the effective communication. Halo effects is two value thinking. In the situation we see the thinking only the dichotomous. Stereotyping, lack of will to communicate, absence of definite recognized mean of communication, the size, कल्चरल बैरियर फीडबैक बैरियर, क्लैरिटी नहीं है, कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है, एडिकेसी नहीं है, टाइमलाइंस नहीं है, यूनिफॉर्मिटी नहीं है, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी नहीं है. इन्फॉर्म योरसेल्फ फुली, establish mutual trust, find the common grounds, use the mutually known words, have a regard for the context, secure, hold the receiver's attention, employ example visual aids and practical delaying the so control essential. Every organization ensure the achievement of the predetermined goal, help to the organization maintaining the equilibrium. Henry Field control consists of verifying the whether everything occur in the conformity with the adopted normal summer. The aim of the control is assure that the result of operation confirm closely possible. Control maintain the equilibrium. Control determining what is being accomplished, that is the evaluating the performance. Controlling is the measurement of the accomplishment against the standards. Control is process of measure the current performance. Establishing the standards. Control process begin with the setting of the standards. Evolve the stating the expected result, clear term, and measurement performance. After the performance standards are laid, next step control process would be the appraisal performance, actual performance, reliability, accuracy, intelligence. Objective processes comparison actual performance with the established standards, cause and consequences of their correction actions are there. Management ensure the deviation so simple, minimum, suitable. Prompt looking, personal observation. This is oldest technique of under this supervision or personally occurred personal work placed to apply correction. Control report, the statistical control report prepare the quality term, measure the variation from the standards. Management by exceptions is there, that is top management for the necessary correction action. It's control the exception. Management by objectives are there. The system of the management by objective is describe the practice of management and the major area of responsibility, term, results of the expected him. Management information system is devising its similar management to have a better control. Management audit, systematic, independent, and comprehensive examination of all the activities. Performance evaluation review technique will be there. Bush and Allen given Hamilton. डायग्रामेटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है इसमें. क्रिटिकल पाथ, मेथड पार्ट, एंड कंट्रोलिंग द प्रोजेक्ट्स इज प्रोजेक्ट आइडेंटिफाइड. मोरेवर इट इज टू बी द post dimension project completion. Performance appraisal will be there, which is the performed going along with the establish the standard. Budgetary control will be there, that is controlling the organization operation process to finding out what is being done and comparing with the correcting the budget data. Classical thinkers, the Taylor, Fayol, and assumed to be the organization dislike work and tend to the irresponsible. Hence, they asserted that most people must be controlled to get the put forth the adequate efforts toward the attainment of goal. And MP Follett, unlike the classical thinker, Follett gave the important situation factor organization behavior, and she advocated fact control rather than man control. And behavioralist Mayo, Chester Bernard is control is viewed organizational order, situational phenomena towards the organization goal. People exercise self-directed self-control, variable or flexible in nature, and briefly believe in the fact control, self-control, and internal control. अमिटजाई जो थी इसने कहा था एनालिटिकल होना चाहिए, मटेरियल सिंबॉलिक नहीं होना चाहिए. मटेरियल मीन्स कंट्रोल पर्पस. नॉर्मेटिव सिम्बल्स आर दे अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम. नॉर्मेटिव पावर टेंड टू जनरेट द मोर कमिटमेंट, and he was application symbolic means of the control will be there, meaning leadership is indispensable successful functioning of the organization goal. Kit Davis ने कहा है कि without leadership an organization is but a model of the man and machine. Leadership is transform potential into the reality. It is ultimate which bring to the success of all potential. And डिमॉक ने कहा था लीडरशिप इज नॉट पावर डोमिनेंस सोशल सुपीरियोरिटी. रॉबर्ट टेनेनबॉम ने कहा लीडरशिप इससे इंटरपर्सनल इन्फ्लुएंस होता है. निग्रो ने कहा एसेंस ऑफ द लीडरशिप इज इन्फ्लुएंसिंग द एक्शंस. वेनिस ने कहा द सिंगल डिफाइनिंग क्वालिटी ऑफ द लीडरशिप इज एबिलिटी टू क्रिएट द रियलाइज द विजन. पॉलिट ने कहा लीडर इज नॉट द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट बट वन ऑफ की सी द ऑल ऑफ द सिचुएशन. रोस ने कहा लीडरशिप इज इन्फ्लुएंस रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द लीडर एंड फॉलोअर. एंड एलन ने कहा है ही डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द पर्सनल लीडरशिप एंड मैनेजरियल लीडरशिप. चेस्टर बर्नार्ड ने कहा अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम लीडरशिप डिपेंड अपॉन द थिंग्स दैट इज इंडिविजुअल इज फॉलोअर एंड द कंडीशंस. Follett ने कहा लीडरशिप इज द पोजीशन पर्सनैलिटी एंड फंक्शंस. द ओनली वन पीपल पॉजेस फंक्शनल नॉलेज lead to the modern organizations and possessing the knowledge demanded to the certain situations in the best managed business. Other things are being equal to become a leader is the moment. Leadership care goes to the person who possesses the knowledge and situation, rank and organization hierarchy. Millett ने कहा है कि state leadership is often made the broken circumstances. So according to him the essential circumstances leaderships are twofold: political conditions and the external political control. कर्ट्स काहन ने कहा है कोर्सिव पावर होती है इट्स बेस्ड ऑन द फियर. रिवार्ड पावर इट्स अपोजिट टू द कोर्सिव पावर. लेजिटिमेट पावर्स लीडर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हायरार्की होती है ऑब्लिगेशन टू द एक्सेप्टिंग द अथॉरिटी. एक्सपर्ट पावर नॉलेज स्किल एंड स्पेसिफिक एक्सपर्टाइज एंड रेफरेंट पावर होता है. सो बर्नार्ड बास हैज़ करप्ट टू द कोर्सिव पावर, रिवार्ड पावर एंड लेजिटिमेट पावर, एंड द पोजिशन पावर इज टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर एंड फ्रॉम टू द क्वालिटी. Autocratic style जो he decided all the Policies subordinate a demand complete to the audience from them. Democratic is leadership style. Leader allow to the subordinate participate decision making through the discussion. Communication flow freely. Multidimensional style become the popular in the human nation. Laissez-faire is there. Leadership is the leader gives to the complete independence to the subordinate goals and achieve them. In other words, the style involves the complete freedom for the group and the decision with no minimum participation. Felix Seljic, the definition of institution, mission and role, that is the setting the organization goal. Institutional embodiment, purpose क्या है, meaning of the policy, percolate down to the lower level organization, defense of the institutional integrity, ordering internal conflict नहीं होना चाहिए, maintaining balance of power. Supply the organization objective क्या है, arbitrating disagreements, catalyzing the subordinate action, suggestion, idea, subordinate, inspiring the subordinate work effectively, praising the subordinate, satisfy their recognizing esteem, providing the security and this determining the objective, manipulating means कंट्रोल करना, सैमुलेशन एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन करना. कोऑर्डिनेशन, डेफिनेशन, पर्पस, एंटिसिपेशन. पीटर ड्रकर, लिफ्टिंग द मेन विजन टू द हायर साइड, रेजिंग द मेन परफॉर्मेंस एंड बिल्डिंग द मेन पर्सनैलिटी. फिडलर ने कहा डायरेक्टिंग द ग्रुप एंड कोऑर्डिनेटिंग द ग्रुप. इफनर ने कहा है कि गेट द राइट मैन इन द लीडरशिप जॉब एंड योर प्रॉब्लम क्वालिटीज. चेस्टर बर्नार्ड, वाइटलिटी टू एड्यूरेंस, डिसिसिवनेस, परस्यूसिवनेस, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड कैपेसिटी. Appleby ने कहा willingness to assume the throne, demonstrate the personal growth, dispose towards the action, good listener, well with of the people, seek to the obtain most able subordinate, uses institutional resources, care for the powers, has self confidence, hospital bad news नहीं होनी चाहिए, respect होना चाहिए, seek to the improve institutional performance. Military leadership quality include the good health, sense of mission, interest of the people, intelligence, integrity and persuasiveness and judgment. Theory, trait theory is the beginning of the assumed to be the, this can be the popularly known the great man theory and totally inborn up the acquired to the experience. Chester Bernard, Teed and Millett failed to provide the common leadership traits, so this is wide variation. It does not indicate the comparative importance of the trait. It failed to consider the fact that most of the all of the traits attributed to leader are also many of the not leader. It does not distinguish between the traits, ignore the needs of subordinate. It does not recognize the influence of the situation. Behavioral theory, unlike the trait theory, do the behavioral research leader to the have how to the behave and their functions style. Iowa style authoritative leadership and Ohio style initiative structure, combining the initiative structure, high consideration. Michigan style production and employee centered. फ्रांसिस लिकन. ओहियो स्टाइल में जो था फिशरमैन था. आयोवा स्टाइल में लिपिट एंड लेविन था. एंड फोर्थ सिस्टम इज देयर लिंकर्ट ने दिया था. ठीक है. एंड मैनेजरल ग्रिड जो दिया था रॉबर्ट ब्लेक एंड मैटर ने दिया था. दैट इज इम्प्रूवमेंट इन द प्रोडक्शन. कंट्री क्लब टास्क लो कंसर्न फॉर पीपल मिडिल ऑफ द रोड. Situational theory, both the trade and behavioral theories provide the overall satisfactory theory, and that was theory asserted leadership effectiveness is determined by the various situational factors. Theory believe the leadership influenced by the situations and variables, so the follower task, situation, environment. Leadership according to theory multidimensional है. Continuum leadership is the behavior devised by the Robert Tenenbaum and the Warren Schmitz. Contingency theory leadership is by the Fred Fiedler. So himself subordinate होते हैं. Situationals होती हैं. Continuum for the style of behavior boss centered and leadership subordinate centered. Least preferred code worker, assume similarity between the opposite scale, identify the two basic styles, examine the unfavorable condition and favorable conditions. Then path goal theory Evans and House ने दिया था. Theory was characterized subordinate environments and achievement oriented contingents upon the directive, supportive and participative. थ्री डायमेंशनल थ्योरी जो था जो रेडिन ने दिया था. मॉडल रेडिन्स अ टास्क ओरिएंटेड रिलेशनशिप्स एंड द आइडेंटिफाई इफेक्टिव फोर्स सिस्टम. सो दिस वाज बेनेवोलेंट ऑटोक्रेटिक एंड डेवलपमेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव. डिसीजन पार्टिसिपेशन मॉडल लीडरशिप एंड पार्टिसिपेशन नॉर्मेटिव मॉडल लीडरशिप. डिसीजन थ्योरी डिग्री ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस क्वालिटी ऑफ डिसीजन द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू डिसीजन. This was the represents to the model focus on the maturity followed by the contingency variable. Life cycle theory was given with a blank chart telling, selling, participating, delegating. Now motivation by term motivation derived from the Latin word mover. Francis Bacon would motivate the core of the management. And while the making the distinction between the Fred Luthans, the content theory are concerned with identifying the needs the people have to how these needs are derived. This proper has more concern with the cognitive antecedent effort to the important style similarity. The Chandan, the content theory of attempt to determine the specify the needs of motivate the people, and theory attempt to identify the variable go into the motivation relationships. Content theory was what motivate the people. Theory we propounded the McGregor, Husberg, Aldelfer, Gerald Kelly. Important process theory of the motivation. The traditionals are the economic theory, carrot and stick theory and monistic theory. Traditional theory was the economic factor होते हैं. Classical economic man होता है thus is say to the people produce more working harder when the adequate material rewards are available. Taylor, father of scientific management, first major exponent to the classical thinker. Theory came to the critical human rational behaviors and factors. Socio-psychological factors, just Bernard observed, seem to be the one matter to the common experiences material toward the ineffective beyond the subsistence level. And Maslow hierarchy of the needs are first systematic conceptual explain to the motivation and personality need hierarchy for the psychology understand the human behavior in the psychoanalysis. Maslow need the hierarchy concept consists of the 5 level of human needs are there. Okay, now physiological security, social esteem and self-actualization. Goldstein. Maslow divide needs into the physiological security, social higher order need. Maslow human needs are usually strive to the satisfy order of the needs. Security needs another unsatisfied needs emerge to the replace it. Lower subtle Potter is a search to the study the human needs. Do not to conform to the hierarchy suggests the Maslow Hall and agree to this. Kafer applies the criticizes Maslow concepts actualization. Baba is Barwell. Human beings are the primary concern for the needs for the growth needs. According to the Michel, Maslow theory is the interacting valid and the problem of the Maslow need is to the cannot be turned into the practical guideline. Vasnik are the hierarchy of the needs are the most popular. Hirschberg two-factor theories are there. Is company policy, supervision, salary, interpersonal relation, working condition, relationship of the personal life, relation, subordinate status, security, achievement, recognized work, history, advancement and growth. Motivation to the work, right into the modern and work and the nature of the man, managerial choice to be efficiency of the human. One more time, job enrichment. So Pittsburgh industry find to the factor responsible for the motivation. Mark the improvement, job satisfaction. Hirschberg factor theory is satisfied by entirely from the involved to the job dissatisfaction and satisfaction. According to their two set of the factors are there the motivated except the man's relationships and related to the nature of the work and the intrinsic job itself. Environment intrinsic for they do not motivate the individual to better performance and serve to the primarily prevent the job dissatisfaction. Summarize the Fred Luthers. In effect, they bring the motivation up to the theoretical zero level. And now Hirschberg used to the term hygiene in the analogy medical used to the meaning of the preventive and environmental. Hirschberg hygiene factor lead to the job satisfaction. So satisfaction growth self-actualization in this at psychological level 2-dimension job attitudes reflected the need of the structure avoidance unpleasantness. Animal is Adam nature, human is Abraham nature. So the factor involved to the producing the job satisfaction and opposite of the job not the job dissatisfaction. Similarly, the opposite job is not the job satisfaction. Motivation are mainly the unipolars and is dividing people working organization in the two category hygiene and the motivate. Hygiene is motivated nature environment. Chronic hygiene overreaction of satisfaction improvement hygiene factor short duration satisfaction overreaction dissatisfaction realizing the little satisfaction show little interest cynicism regarding the positive virtue of the work do not profit from ultra liberal ultra conservative parent management and the act of the like the management that are the successful. Now motivator seeker is motivation by the nature task high tolerance low hygiene factor less reaction to the improvement in hygiene factor similar. Midler is this content when hygiene factor need to improvement realizing great satisfaction accomplishment capacity kind of work those have a positive feeling towards the work of the life general profit and the exercising belief system considered may be overachieved. Maslow theory was there to the Hirschberg suggested the job enrichment against the job enlargement motivator and technique of the enrichment according to involve the design job in such a way provide the opportunity for the achievement, recognize responsibility, perform, but more autonomy, accountability in terms of planning, execution, controlling, job enlargement, expand the horizontally, increase the job enrichment, job vertically to increase the depth. Hertzberg, it method bound. It is the critical incident method research data collection. According to the method, is respond as to the only extremely satisfying Reuters bias, that is, was no control, maintain the consistency evaluation. Research study failed to measure the overall job satisfaction, so it is inconsistent with the previous research. It is methodology looked to satisfaction. Michel-Nash theory of the Maslow-Hertzberg measure wrong theory. Hamilton is the Hertzberg theory of methodology. Myers research are there, and the Donald Schwab the research for the Hertzberg methodology. It's emphasized on the need hierarchy, that is higher order needs motivating the individual. It has the universal applicability. Descriptive theories did not make suggestion deal with the motivational problem, deal with the general motivation and apply to the all the societies. State financial reward motivate the behavior. State the financial reward cannot be motivated, deal with the work related motivation and applied only to the people. It prescribed the theory suggests the job enrichment we deal with the motivation problem. Applicability limited, but application mostly to the white collar professional employed. Emphasize the higher order needs motivating to the individual. There is a close relationship between the theory of the Maslow and Hertzberg. Low order needs are the likewise Hertzberg motivator roughly equal to the Maslow's higher order needs, and theories are Maslow Hertzberg's are explain the motivation in the perspective. Achievement theory by the Cleveland, reinforcement theory Skinner, management by objective by the Drucker, maturity criticizes theory X and McGregor, expectancy theory Victor Bloom, equity theory Adams, performance satisfaction Porter Adler, goal setting theory by the Locke and E.R.G. Aldelfer, attribution theory Harold Colley, theory Jared William Auchi and the Alfred Jagler.